Are you ready to turn your TV into an art gallery with Vizzio Art? Let's show you how to do it with Google Chromecast. Chromecast must already be set up on your TV. You've downloaded the Vizzio Art mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play and purchased an art subscription. Now switch on your Chromecast device. Please make sure your Chromecast and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your smartphone, go to Settings, select Manage Devices, and click on the top right refresh icon. Your Chromecast device will appear. Click on the Chromecast icon to pair with your smartphone. That's it! Now you're ready to use Vizzio Art to stream artworks and images to make your living spaces more beautiful.